Okay, I wanted to give you guys an update on this water feature. I'm redoing it as far as the color because it never got stained. That's just a patina that happened over the years from rain, snow, dust, whatever. But before I started that, I was going to clean this deck is what I started to do and reseal it. And this wall is getting done as well. And you can see now I've got some construction going on here. Well, this side was rotten and sagging. So I had to rebuild this. I literally came from about right here and took all the deck boards off and then put new structure down and then put the deck boards back on because I don't want to replace them. I'm going to pour all this with concrete here, hopefully in the next couple of years. But that side was also rotten. And I thought I'd get this all done before I shot this video and this video where you're going to see this staining going on. And then I got this whole section here that this deck was originally, that back deck, which is rotten, you can't even walk on it, back in '82 when the house was built. This I did all in 2006, so it's 17 years old currently. And just trying to get it all fixed up, and then I'll get to these two videos. And I was looking at another video, I put this one up, how I made the cardboard, what would you call it, the moon gate or stone portal. I've got to take that down to my shop as it gets a little hotter today and start working down there with the fan because it's going to get too hot up on the deck here today. But anyway, I thought I'd give you guys a little overview of what we got going here, and thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your support.